Hello kids, welcome to my video. Let's learn some colors. We have some colors. Orange color, yellow color, pink color, violet color, red color, green, sky blue color. Okay, let's start. Today we're going to learn how to draw strawberry. Let's start. Try to draw with me. It is so easy. I love strawberry. Do you like strawberry? I am in love with it. Let's draw the seeds. Okay, let's paint. Let's paint with red. I love red. We have red strawberry. It's like strawberry. Strawberry. Wow, what a beautiful strawberry. I love it. Let's paint with green. I love green. Okay guys, try to draw with me. It is so easy. Okay guys, we are done now and we have a beautiful strawberry. If you want to see my next video, subscribe my channel.